Hey everyone, Tim from Detections AI here. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the groups functionality on the platform and what makes them so awesome. So once you're registered and signed in, go ahead and click on the groups tab over here on the left and you get exactly what you would expect, a huge list of groups. As you can see, we got 54 of them. You can scroll down, take a look, see some of the various groups. Um, One thing to note is there's this detections.ai community group, and this is the default group that everybody is automatically added into the platform once they've signed up. So as you can see, it's quite popular. We got over 10,000 members, a bunch of detections. If you're looking for anything specific, feel free to go ahead and search. Um, Another thing to note is you have some actions here, follow and join. Follow affects what you see over here on the activity feed. And if the group's permissions are set to public, you can go ahead and join that group. So let's take a look at a group here as an example. Let's go ahead and click on Slim KQL. This group is managed by KQL Wizard. You might have heard of in socials. But first thing you can do, if it is set to public, you can go ahead and join it, follow it. We got some statistics here, 411 detections, quite large library, 195 downloads. We got some followers, some members. And scrolling down a little bit, we get a list of detections that have been added to this group by Stephen Lim. And yeah, if you're familiar with the platform at all, these filters should look familiar. We feature these same style filters over on Discover Detections as well as the Intel collection. It just allows you to drill in a little bit easier what you're looking for. Let's go ahead and jump back. Let's go back to the main group tabs. And what I'd like to do is create a new group for you. And this will kind of help frame a picture of how these permissions work and some management functionality you can do with these groups. So let's go ahead and create a group. Let's give it a really awesome name. Oop. Man, if I could spell. All right. Let's give it an avatar. So this is basically what you want it to be. You can see some examples here over on the left of some other avatars that have been chosen. I just AI generated that one for the sake of this demo. Privacy settings. This is important. We've got public, moderated, private. Public basically means anybody can join it and contribute to it without any type of permission or interaction from the administrator. Moderated, basically means that there's an approval process by the group admins. Once approved, then that person can start contributing. Private, this basically means that all the detections are hidden and you can choose whether or not to have that group be listed or unlisted in the main groups tab here. So let's go ahead and just create a public group. I'm gonna go ahead and click create group. Group is creating. Awesome. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on here because we haven't added any detections and I'm the only member, member of one. So let's go ahead and I want to jump over here to manage just to show you some of these settings. So this will, if you made an error here in the group name or description, you can go ahead and adjust that later, change the avatar or change some of these settings. If for whatever reason you decide you want to delete it, this is where you can do it in the danger zone. Yeah, we got a member list here, obviously a member of one, followers, invitations. So this is interesting. So at this stage, you've created your awesome group and you want to start adding some other contributors. Go ahead and click invite user. And there's two things you can do here. You can drop that person's username, their detections.ai username, or throw an email and that'll send them an invite link, which will automatically add them into the group once they've joined the platform. And that about covers groups. Feel free to reach out to us on socials or in the support tab here. If you have any questions, this goes straight to us. And thanks.